Okay, everybody, let's have a conversation real quick. And this is about Rone and Piarry. And the fact that Rone did not tell Piarry outright that he had a child. It's not about him bringing the child around Piarry, because we all know Piarry has issues. Piarry she's a drunk basically, and she has to deal with her drinking issues. So nobody will fault Rome for not bringing his child around Piarry. The whole issue is he didn't tell her about the child at all. There was no mention of the child. And although on a previous video, because everybody's holding tight to the conversation that was had at Angelina's house when our mom was talking about his kids outright, Rome made a comment that yeah, they're girl dads. Now that could be taken a couple of different ways, y'all. Let's look at this, because he didn't actually come out and tell her he had a kid. That could mean that he may have wanted to have a daughter when he had a child, because you know how some women are when they have their first kid, they want a son. A lot of men, when they have their first kid, they want to have a daughter. So it could have been that. So that whole conversation could have blew over her head, or the simple fact she could have been drunk and just did not really pay attention to what he was saying about the girl dad to even question the fact that he had a child. But this is the whole issue. Rone did not mention his child. That's not being overprotective. That's just you being not giving a person an opportunity to decide if this is the type of relationship they want to be in or not. Because some people don't want to be involved with people who have children. Now, we know that's not Piarry, because Piarry was with Wayne, and we see how Wayne reacted when she was like, well, I don't have kids. I was assuming he didn't, and I felt like we could have kids together. I kind of wanted a man that didn't have kids. Well, that's probably because of her position with Wayne. Okay, maybe Wayne was the first guy she dated that had children, and she gave him an opportunity to talk to her with kids. But then when that didn't work out, she like, you know what? I don't even want to go through this. Not the fact that Wayne issue and her issue was the children and the baby's mom. No, their issue was just solely her drinking, and it could be the issue with Rome, but that does have absolutely nothing to do with you mentioning that you have a child. A person don't have to ask you, do you have kids? If you are a father or you are a mother that are active in your children's life, when you meet somebody, that's going to naturally come out. Oh yeah, I got kids too. Because as a parent, you looking at the fact that, okay, I come with attachments. I come with another human being I'm responsible for, and that will be my priority before I do anything in this relationship. So that should have been made known to her, point blank, period. It shouldn't have been where she had to catch him saying anything. He just should have outright said it. So there's absolutely, positively no excuse for what he did. And so for people around here trying to make excuses as to, oh, he was right, he didn't have to tell her that he had a child, that's being very deceptive. Okay. And the fact that people are hanging over her head, well, she slept with Anthony back in the day, she ain't saying that. Well, right now, that's not even an issue, because when they were talking about body counts, remember, Piarry was the one who brought up body counts, but Rome said it was irrelevant. He didn't want to talk about it. That was his past. He's focused on his future. He did some things. I'm sure she did some things. He don't care about that. That's the part y'all missing. Y'all continue as the viewers to put your own spin on these storylines to try to turn it into what you want to see, versus just seeing the lesson that they are displaying out before the people to try to get you to understand. And the issue is, some people do not bring up the fact that they have children. You heard Wayne when he said, well, I got 10 kids, and I told you he got one and he got a problem about telling you, simply telling you. Because here's the thing. If a woman did that and didn't tell a man that she had children, and he found out and he didn't want to be with that woman because she got kids, it's going to drop her. It's so much double standards on here. And I think that's what we're dealing with. We're attacking the double standards. We're attacking what's happening. And then so many people try to switch this and try to make it seem like it's Shayla. How is everything about Shayla, y'all? Come on, get off of this kick with Shayla. If Amber took her husband back, Amber got to get past the whole Shayla thing, okay? If you were willing to take your husband back with no change, Shayla is a move point at this. She's irrelevant. It's not that I hate Amber. No, I don't hate anybody. I love all people. I just look at things for being fair, straight across the board. I don't like to take things and try to make them into a spin of my own, or try to make it how I feel. I look at it through the lens of justice. I look at it through the lens of right and wrong. That's it. I give my opinion on how I feel about it, but I'm not finna turn the narrative other than what is presenting itself. We have to stop doing that. And I know you're gonna say, oh, but Wayne used the viewers' intakes to put in anything. I've always said this. Here's the thing, Wayne give you both sides of the coin, but whatever he decides the storyline is gonna go, the storyline is gonna go. He teetle-tottles with both options when it comes down to a scenario, but then he goes with the narrative that he's trying to explain to y'all. And we have to get that through our heads, and we have to see it for what it really is so that you can learn from it. You're never gonna learn if you can't hit the issue dead on. You're just never going to. And if all you do is putting how you feel about somebody, whether or not you like them and you're putting them on a pedestal, or you're hating them so you're trying to tear them down, neither way works. That's why when you have a confrontation, it is wise to go someone who is neutral. That way you get a clear picture on how you need to, what direction you need to go on with this. Go ahead and drop y'all comment down below. Let's talk. Do you think Rone was wrong for not telling Piarry about his child? Or do you think he was right because Piarry isn't drunk? Go ahead and drop your comments down below. All comments are welcome because, hey, it opens up a discussion. As always, be your brothers and sisters keeper. Keep God first. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And see you down below. Sis.